I'm Dave Northey. I work in the Windows Server and System Centre team here in Dublin in the European Development Centre. My job has me sit between the customer and the product group to help both the adoption of the product, the current release, but also to gather insights as to how they deploy the product in the real world and give that feedback back to the product groups themselves so that those insights end up in the next version of Windows Server and System Centre. One of the things I'm working on at the moment is cloud consistency between Windows Azure and private cloud and a hosted private cloud with our service providers, giving our customers the ability to deploy an application on top of infrastructure as a service through a very simple wizard, next, finish. So one of the features on Windows Azure is infrastructure as a service, which lets our customers deploy an operating system that they're going to go off and manage and deploy all by themselves. What I've been working on is the ability to deploy a whole application and the operating system on our private cloud. It becomes very useful for our big enterprise customers and for our service providers to be able to do this. So this example is a CentOS Linux machine with virtual network computers stuck on top of it. So what this actually looks like from an end user perspective is, if I go to my private cloud, and I'm going to go in the exact same paradigm as in Windows Azure, so cloud consistency. I'm going to go new, virtual machine from a gallery, and here's my virtual machine, virtual network computer. So what this enables is for IT pros and business users to now on their private cloud or hosted service provider cloud to not just provision a virtual machine on top of which they would need to provision an application, but to provision the whole application in one go. In this example, a Linux machine running VNC, running on top of a private cloud running Windows and System Centre. So through the simple wizard, it's literally select the gallery item, click next, and fill in the parameters that I've asked for when I created this gallery item in the first place.